Just look at this thing right now. I don't know whether you can see the needles right now. Have you seen the length of the needle? Imagine pinching this thing into your skin. You get it? It's gonna feel very painful. If you do that, you're going to damage the skin. You're going to damage the hair follicles and so I've been getting a lot of complaints and questions about the use of a derma roller. Some even ask me why have they been using the derma roller for so long without seeing the kind of results they want. And through all these questions and interaction with these guys, I realized that there are a lot of mistakes most guys do whenever they're using a derma roller. That's why today we are here to talk about 3 of these mistakes that most of you do, which is hindering you from seeing the kind of results you want to see. So without wasting much of your time, hit the like button and subscribe for me. Let's hop into it. Mistake number 1 is not sanitizing the derma roller. Oh yeah, you know, derma roller is a device like any other device that is being used or which has the capacity of causing injury onto the skin or on the body. Whenever you're going to use such a device, you need to sterilize it, and even after using it, you need to sterilize it too, because if you don't sterilize it, what happens is a lot of bacteria start to grow on the device, and then when you end up using it, it's gonna cause some infection on your skin, which I'm sure you don't want that to happen to you. So always try as much as possible to sterilize it. What I do personally, I bought this alcohol that I used to spray on the derma roller. That's before and after using. Before using it, I'll spray on it and leave it for about a minute or 2 before using it on my body. Then after that, I'll spray it again and then leave it for the next use. That's what you should be doing. Some will say, well, but it's hard for me to get an alcohol. Okay, fine. There is another alternative. Pour some water or get yourself a hot water and then put the derma roller in it and let it wait for about a minute or 2 before using it. And then after using it too, you can pour the water on the hot water on the derma roller or insert it into the water again. This will help kill all the bacteria before and after using it. You get it, which is very good for your skin. But unfortunately, most guys don't do that before using it or even after using it. So try as much as possible to disinfect it or sterilize it before using it. And another mistake I've noticed most guys do is they use it way more often than how they should be using it. You know, the derma roller isn't meant to be used every single day. If you don't know, what the derma roller does to your skin is it creates this kind of tiny injury to your skin. So when that happens, for it to be able to work properly, you need to allow the skin to recover before using it again. But unfortunately, a lot of guys, I've heard some guys say they use it every single day. Bro, you're going to damage your skin. You can't be you need to allow the skin to recover. That's what stimulates the hair growth. Because if the skin is not recovering, you will never see the growth you want to see. You get it? So what you have to do is use it twice at most. What I like to tell guys is use it at most twice in a week. You don't need to use it every single day because it's very bad for your skin. For me, what I did was I was using it only on Sundays evening and Wednesdays evening. I've never used it more than that. I use it only twice in a week. So don't use it every single day. For some reason, many guys think by using it every single day, that will give them the results. But on the contrary, you are damaging your skin. You know, a lot of them even come and say when they do that, they notice that their skin start becoming very dark and the skin start peeling off and all that. Yes, this is because you're not allowing your skin to recover. So don't use it every single day. Derma roller is not used or is not meant to be used every single day. If you are a beginner, you are allowed to use it 2 to 3 times in a week. And if you are somebody who is advanced in the use of the derma roller, you can be using it once a week. As at now, sometimes I don't even use it that much, maybe once in a month or twice. The last mistake many guys do when using the derma roller is by applying too much pressure. Oh yeah, that's one of the biggest mistakes I've realized guys do when using the derma roller. You know, just look at this thing right now. I don't know whether you can see the needles right now. Have you seen the length of the needle? This is 1.0 which is millimeters. Imagine pinching this thing into your skin. You get it? It's gonna feel very painful, which you don't want to happen, because even if you do that, you're going to damage the skin. You're going to damage the hair follicles and the skin, which will hinder the hair from even growing at the first place. So you don't need to apply pressure whenever using the derma roller. What you need to do is just put it on the skin, for instance, something like this, and then gently go back and forth. You don't need to press it on the skin. If you press it onto the skin, like I said, you're going to bleed. You're going to end up bleeding. So just put it on the skin and then gently go back and forth, back and forth. You can go as fast as you want. It doesn't matter so far as you are not putting or you are not applying pressure to the skin. You get it? So that's how you should be using it. That's why I even like to advise guys to get the 0.5 millimeters rather, because if you get the 1.0 millimeters, it's kind of very long, which is not good for your skin, especially if you are somebody who is now starting to use the derma roller. So get yourself the 0.5, unless maybe with time, if you are using it and you start growing the beard or your beard start growing, that's when you can use the 1.0 millimeters, because when the hair starts to grow, the surface area becomes thick, so you need a longer needles for it to be able to reach the skin, which is acceptable. And don't apply pressure to your skin. Like I said, just gently put it on the skin and go back and forth with that, and you're going to be good, because if you apply the pressure, you're going to damage your hair follicles and your skin in the long run, which I'm sure you don't want that to happen to you guys. Yes guys, so this is the video guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, kindly hit the like button and subscribe for me. If there is anything you guys want me to discuss on this channel, kindly drop it into the comment section and I'll attend to them. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Peace.